Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at here in the MyPTHub app. We're going to take a look at the marketplace. Now, the marketplace is exactly what it sounds like, is a place where you can buy or purchase packages or even sessions. Here in the MyPTHub app, you can either scroll across to see what is available, or you can click view all and it will give you more of a vertical scrolling function within the app. Here is a shorter description if you would like a longer description of what's included within the package and who each coaching package or group online coaching package or any one-offs that I might offer. All the description is here, including pricing, and then you can go ahead and purchase it straight from the window itself. We'll go back to the beginning. Take me back is going to kick you completely out. So we'll go back into the marketplace. And sometimes I have to mention within the marketplace itself, if you're already in the app, sometimes I sell products and packages within the app and it's not a public offering. So any of my clients who are in the app already get priority with purchasing various packages and one-on-one coaching or group coaching that is offered. However, if you tell a friend and you're like, hey, you just have to go here, sometimes it's not publicly offered so that they can't go and sign up as well. So certain packages are listed here in the app and they're only viewable by those who are in the app, and others are more public. So it just depends on what is being offered. But if you're looking for other one-on-one coaching services, they're all listed right there and you can check them out.